Okay guys, so today you can see that we brought two crassula tetragona connivens cutting, and now we will try to propagate them within the simple garden and sand mixture. So now you can see that we have taken two stems, proper stems, and some leaves. You must have to you can see the part which is just connected with the stem. So that part of the leaf must be in contact with the entire leaf, okay, because it is the part in which we can what's called as which can initiate some sort of propagation. Now this is our media. Now you can see that we have taken some sand and simple garden soil mixture. Now you need to pour some sort of water, okay, like this. Okay, first you need to, okay, now you can see that the water just seeps to the bottom. Why it is so? Because it is a better it is the media is having a bit sort of good drainage. Okay, so now we will put our cuttings inside it. And one more thing as a precautionary measurement, that you must not have to put the direct cutting, okay, means that first you need to heal, okay, first cut the stems from the mother plant, and then let them dry for about like 12 hours, and then put them like this, okay, so your success rate will be greater. Okay, now we will put our leaves as well in this media. Okay, so just put the tips of the leaves in the media. Okay, hopefully like some sort of roots and babies will develop on the tips. Now this our, okay, now this is the second stem, and we will insert it like this. Okay, now, and one more thing, that leaves must not touching the media, damp media, or they can rot. Okay, now after 30 days, although we can see that there isn't any sort of much growth on the stem side, but now we have to dig the media in order to see the roots, okay, that either roots used to develop or not. Although its growth rate is good, is mentioned in some research papers. Okay, now we will dig media so that uh, we have to dig it gently, okay, because roots are a bit delicate, and they can be get destroyed. Okay, so okay, now we will, okay, we are just okay, now we will take it out. Okay, now you can see that root ball is very much big. Now again we will just tape it out so that we can see the roots properly. Now you can see the roots is holding some sort of media as well. Okay, now we are breaking it out. Okay, now this is root ball. Okay, you can see some roots as well. Now what about the second one? Can we see the roots? Okay, now its media is a bit like light, a bit light. Okay, now we also have put some sort of leaves, but they are now in rotting stage. Okay, they are just going to rot. They don't they didn't show any sort of like development, baby plant development. Okay, so we just throw them out. Okay, now We will break it out. Now you can see its roots properly, that how we have developed the roots of crassula, tetragona, connivens. So this is all about our stem propagation of crassula tetragona. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.